we war not against flesh, but war against spirits, wickedness and principalities in high places, with weapons that are not carnal. So take heed now and gird on the gospel armor, and let those who think they're standing take heed lest they fall. For we war not against flesh, but war against the spirits of wickedness and principalities in high places, with weapons that are not carnal. So take heed now and gird on the gospel armor. Let those who think they are standing take heed lest they fall. For we war not against flesh, but war against the spirits of wickedness and principalities in high places. Take heed lest